Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making two refreshing summer drink, watermelon milkshake and cucumber with ginger and mint. These two drinks has lot of water content to keep our body cool this summer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need to make watermelon milkshake. Into a bowl, I'm adding a liter of cold milk. First boil the milk, cool it completely, then you can add the rest of the ingredients. When you add watermelon to the hot milk, it will get curdled up. To the milk, I'm adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of rose syrup. Sugar is added in this syrup, so I'm not going to add sugar. If you need, go ahead and add a tablespoon or two. Give it a good mix. This is soaked basil seeds. I have soaked 2 tablespoons of basil seeds, also called subtly seeds, in half a cup of water for 10 minutes. I'm adding that now. Mix it thoroughly. Now I'm adding 2 cups of watermelon cut into small cubes. Mix everything well. Before serving, add some ice cubes. Watermelon is not only delicious and refreshing, but it's low in calorie and contains lot of vitamins. You can make this simple, refreshing drink in just 2 minutes. These are the ingredients for the second recipe. To make this drink, I'm using cucumber, ginger and some mint leaves. Into a blender, I'm adding a cup of cucumber. To this, I'm adding 10 to 12 mint leaves with stem, half an inch ginger, a tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt. Add some cold water, blend it smoothly. Now let's strain the cucumber mixture. For the second time, add the cucumber pulp to the blender, add some more water, strain it well. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soaked basil seeds. Give it a nice mix. Simple cucumber juice is ready in no time. Do try these recipes, they are perfect for this summer. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.